Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is brought to you by RiRiHAIR. So I'm first going to start off by doing an unboxing and showing you everything that came in the box. This particular wig I'm going to be showing you today is a body wave texture, if I'm not mistaken. It came with curls and everything, but I did decide to wash this wig before, styling it and stuff. So, if you wanted to wear it right out the pack, you could, but I would always recommend to wash your wig before wearing it. Hey guys, so I am back and I have washed this wig. I think this is the body wave texture from RiRiHAIR. I washed it and I did throw some curls in it earlier today, and I'm just gonna apply this. Now I adjusted the elastic band in this cap because hopefully that will help with making application a lot easier, so I don't have to do as much work with applying it. So I have this light tan wig cap on and I'll see if it's gonna work or not. And I'm just gonna go ahead and try this on again. I mean, the wig is pulled to the front so much you don't really see the wig cap. You will see it here, but the bang, the way I have that, is falling in that direction, so it doesn't really matter. I did add some layers using an eyebrow razor in the bang area. I just used a curl wand to achieve that look. This wig came pre-curled, but most of the human hair wigs that I feature on my channel, I wash them first. So it's best that you do that, but you don't have to if you don't want to. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this lace and glue this down. So I have finished applying and styling this wig. I just applied it using the Got to Be Glued freeze spray like I always do, and then I followed it up with a black bottle of Got to Be Glued. And when I do that, I just take the end of a rat tail comb and I'm just running it over the front of the lace, because it's usually like little pieces of lace all around the perimeter that are sticking up, and I just smooth it out just so it has a more melted look. Yeah, so I think this is really, really pretty how this turned out. And I just used this Conair Pro Nano Silver Ceramic Tools curl wand. I actually prefer the regular Conair one that I bought from Dollar General like years ago. This one has these little ridges in it, and sometimes the hair can get caught on that. So I don't really care for that, but it did get the job done, and it has some really nice effortless curls and with this style. The bang area, I did use my densely flat iron, but everywhere else I used the curl wand. So as far as shedding with this wig, I really don't have that much shedding. This wig came pre-plucked, and it came with the knots bleached already, so I didn't do any of that, which I appreciate. I believe this lace is light brown. I went over the lace after I applied it with some eyeshadow. Now when I'm doing my makeup, I tend to use like darker foundation on my forehead, and you know, I contour and stuff. So I use the shade Peanut Butter from the Too Faced Semi-Sweet Chocolate palette, and I put that on my lace, and I think it blends. It made it blend really, really well. I don't even have this side applied down here. Like when I'm doing side parts with a nice strong bang, I don't even worry about the side that's not gonna be seen. I don't think it's necessary, and it cuts down on time. So this looks really, really pretty, simple kind of look. I like side, I've always liked this kind of style. Side part, swoop bang, some curls. I feel like it's a very feminine and romantic kind of look. Definitely good for date nights and stuff like that. I'm probably not gonna have any tangling. Like with my human hair wigs, the ones that I keep for a long time, I still don't wear them on a continuous basis, so I don't really have to worry about tangling and stuff like that, because I rotate my wigs, and so the longevity is a lot longer than the average person. So I'm probably not gonna have to deal with matting and stuff for a long time if I do decide to, you know, keep this forever. It looks really, really pretty. So if you are interested in this wig from RiRiHAIR, you can head over to their website and check it out there. If I do have any coupon codes or anything like that, they will be listed down in the description box. Just check down there for more information. Shout out to RiRiHAIR for sponsoring this video, and shout out to my Premiere Squad for watching and chatting live with me as we watch this video. To be a part of Premiere Squad, all you have to do is subscribe and turn on your notifications and scroll up to the part that says all, and you will get all the notifications every time I do something on my channel. Yeah, I have a ton of videos coming for you guys in October. Like, I did my list of all my uploads, and it's insane the amount of videos I have to do this month. I'm sure some of them will spill over into November, but I have a lot of content coming your way in the month of October. So make sure your notifications are turned on and you are subscribed. Shout out to the new people that are watching me today. Thank you, and shout out to my oldies but goodies. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.